Hi everyone, it's me, Kelsey again. I got my kitten ears on, my white kitten ears, and guess what? I got my tag. Says Luna. The back of it's got my girlfriend's name on it. Owned by Danielle. See? But anyway, I'll be doing some more videos for you guys. And yes, I'm still in the service dog community. Bridget. Come here, baby. Hey. Bridget, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Yes. Yes. There's my baby. I am so sorry. I'm sorry, baby. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and sorry about the phone. Hope you guys love Bridget. Hi, baby. I'm sorry, baby. She loves my bed. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, meow. Bye. Bless and be and heart, you guys. Love you, Danielle.